So you may have seen this legendary marketer offer about 15-second free leads. Well, I'm about to take you into the back end of that offer so you can actually see what it's about. So you can decide if it's something for you. But guys, I can tell you the results speak for themselves. And these 15-second free leads that you can get from TikTok will blow up your affiliate marketing. So stay with me throughout this video so you can actually see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so before I get started here, I want to just thank you for coming to my channel first off and foremost. And I want to also invite you to click the link down below and get started with these 15-second free leads, because this will change everything about your business. And if you're looking to jumpstart your business into a new platform, then this may be a place to start. But don't take my word for it. Make your own decision with the review I'm about to do of the 15-second free leads offer. So what's up, guys? I'm in the back end of Legendary Marketer right now. We're going to go over this whole 15-second free leads offer that you're seeing everybody promote and actually get amazing results with. So if you are interested, again, click the link down below at the top of the description. Get started with a Legendary Marketer and take advantage of this very, very cheap offer to take your network marketing or affiliate marketing or whatever you're doing to the next level. So let's just jump into this course right now. So what you're going to see when you first come into this course, this is basically the course. Okay. Now, guys, it's not 100% fancy or nothing like that. This is a practically free course. Now, what I would recommend you do, and this is just my recommendation, is that you get the 15-second free leads and also join the, it's called the Marketers Club. So you want to do the Marketers Club and this. Why I recommend the Marketers Club is because it's $30 a month offer, and you're going to learn everything you need to know with that $30. Now, I promote that $30 offer all the time. And I know a lot of people are out there promoting all the high ticket offers that Legendary Marketer has. But guys, this training that you get with the Marketers Club can also magnify what you're learning here. Because what you're going to get is you're going to get a lot of live training every single week. You're going to get new classes added to that every single month. And it already has thousands and thousands and thousands of minutes of information back there for you to learn and take your internet marketing, your affiliate marketing to that next level, to where you're actually making money online, to not fumbling and actually losing money every single month. Okay, so let's jump into this one here, and we're gonna start with part one, which is the endless 15-second video topics. So you're going to go into this and this is a 17-minute video basically of one of the top affiliates promoting right now with TikTok. He's going to go through everything you need to know about TikTok and what he does to make it very successful. Now, another thing we're going to do here is the next section is part two, and it's the perfect TikTok profile with multiple expert instructors. So what this is going to do is going to teach you how to set up your TikTok profile. So a lot of people don't know how to set up their profiles in social media. So you need somebody to actually help you take that and create your TikTok profile so it actually does promote sales and get you more leads. Okay, so that's perfect, and it's another 17-minute video. What you're going to get in the next part is get TikTok to share your videos with multiple expert instructors. Now, guys, what this is going to do is you're going to actually learn how to take your TikTok and turn your page into a educational platform. Okay, so this is a 20-minute video, and it's very, very good. I could tell you right now, I learned tons off of this video right here. Now I'm going to do I'm going to do an experiment with TikTok myself. Now, I haven't jumped into TikTok, but I'm about to, and I'm going to use this course to actually take my TikTok to the next level. And I'm very, very beginner of TikTok. I got very few leads or follows or anything, so it'll be a good experiment. And I'll share that on my YouTube as I go. So maybe I'll do like a a 15-day, 30-day, 45-day, 60-day reviews on that. Now, another thing you want to see here is part 4, which is a post, exactly what people want multiple expert instructors teach in this one as well. Okay, so what exactly do people want on TikTok? It's going to teach you exactly what people are looking for, exactly what the pros are out there posting to get lots of leads. And this is actually going to teach you, these are top affiliates in all kinds of industries out there teaching in this video here. It's 37 minutes long. Now the next section is a bonus. It's a quick and dirty guide to TikTok. And this also has multiple expert instructors with it as well. And this one is 60 minutes long. And this session right here, this is a great session because a lot of different people are on here that have lots and lots and lots of followers and views in TikTok. And they're mainly affiliate marketers. So they're going to show you exactly what they do on how to get their TikTok accounts to where they're actually creating leads and actually earning them some money. Okay. Now, guys, again, what I wanted to talk about here at the end, I wanted to just go over real quick what that Marketers Club is. And guys, if you do want the TikTok class, just click the link down below. You can get it for like $1, one measly dollar. You can get that course. Now, what I would highly recommend is get that course and pair it with the Marketers Club. Okay. Now, you don't need to do none of the other upsells. It's going to try to sell you the omni branding, the affiliate traction, maybe the story selling. I don't know what's in that funnel exactly, but you're going to get some upsells, but you don't have to do any of them. You could just do the $1 if you like, but I highly recommend that you take your education to that next level and go with the Marketers Club, which is $30 a month. And if you really like that and you like the next one, I would ask if you really want to take it to the next level is this attraction code here. Okay. So, but those are not necessary. But the $30 a month Marketers Club, what you're going to get with this is new classes each and every week. You got many, many classes here. These are all trainings by pros in the field. Lots and lots of trainings here, guys. Lots and lots of trainings. You got an archive of over 3,952 minutes and 67 videos in the back end, which are Marketers Club live training. And just let me show you that real quick. And what you're going to see back here, you're going to see Facebook ads, case study, copywriting formula, 21 reasons people buy, all kinds of stuff in here. And these videos are all from anywhere from 60 minutes to 2 hours long, and they're giving great training, guys. So jump in here, get this, and it's well worth every penny that you're going to spend. And what you're also going to get is a very good and very powerful community of affiliates inside Legendary Marketer. They're going to share with you all kinds of information. And guys, I've been with Legendary Marketer since 2017, and I used it for 2 years before I even promoted it. So I highly respect what Dave Sharp's done with Legendary Marketer and what he's turned it into. And it's an ethical way of training people, and it's a great education platform. So guys, go out there and just get your 15-second free lead course. It's $1. And again, if you really want to take your marketing to that next level, I would recommend the Marketers Club, which is only $30. That's the one I would recommend, and I wouldn't take it any farther, but I would go with that. And then when you come in, try to go through this 15-day business builder challenge, because this is good information, and it'll get you connected with your business plan advisor and all that fun stuff. So you get a business advisor that's tied to you with Legendary that you can ask questions to. It's like your personal coach. And that's one thing that makes Legendary Marketer stand out in my eyes from any other thing. All right, peace out. Hopefully you got some value out of this, and you decide to, market with TikTok or just invest in the $30 Marketers Club and take your internet affiliate marketing to that level where you're actually making profit instead of making nothing. Okay. So peace out. Hopefully you have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video.